How to send pictures on Character AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send pictures on Character AI on any character that you want to send the pictures to. So first of all, just open your web browser and search for www.character.ai.com, and after that just log into your account, and once you're logged in, just select any of the character that you want to talk to. And once you open the chat box, you will see that there is only an option to write a message, and there is no such option to send a picture to the character that you are talking to. So I'm going to show you the way to send pictures to the character that you are talking to. So if you see the URL of this particular chat, you will see 2 right after the chat word. So just remove the number 2, and after that just click on enter, and just wait for the page to load completely. And now when the loading is complete, you can see this plus icon right beside your type a message bar. So just click on this plus icon, and here you will see the option to upload image or create image. So you can go ahead and upload an image that you want to share with the character that you are talking to. You can also create an image of your choice to send to the character that you want. So this is basically how you will be able to send pictures to Character AI. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.